and this is Amanda with Planning for My Sanity, and I thought I would take a minute to do a video. I got a request from one of my Happy Planner fitness groups that I'm a member of to film a video showing how I set this planner up, because I had such a good, I didn't do very well there. Anyway, so I had such a good response to how I did this, and I haven't been real consistent with it yet, but I'm working on it, and I'm going to set up my August monthly, and I didn't do anything this week because we were on vacation this week, so I'm going to do my August monthly, set that up so you guys can see that, and set up my second week of August so you guys can see how that happens and how I space that and all of those things. These stickers that I'm using, as you can tell, they're not very pretty, but they are stickers that I made, I designed and I made for my planner. So I'm not ecstatic about these. I love the way they look. I'm just gonna have to play with them a little more. So anyway, I'm just gonna get to work. I'm not gonna talk a lot because I have a lot of videos to film and I need to get busy. So I'm gonna share these with you, or I'm gonna set these up, and then you guys can just see how I set it up. Alright, so I absolutely hate this, but there is no way around it. I don't have time to make new stickers, so it is what it is, and that's what it's going to be. Other than that, this is pretty much it. Today is the 10th, so I'll have to go back in and fill in these circles from when we were on vacation. But now it's time to get to the nitty-gritty and get to this week. So that's basically how I do it every month, every week. So I screwed that up, but that'll be alright, because this is not This is not a showpiece. This is a work piece for me. So now I'll take these stickers and I'll put them on headers. So for my mind, it'll be what I'm reading, what I'm studying. That's not the Bible. This is personal, like personal development, personal growth stuff right here. And then this is body, because I have so much that I'm tracking with my body, I need the biggest space. And then over here will be soul. That's my scripture, that's books that I'm reading, that's Bible study, whatever. That's what that is. So I'll lay these headers down and then that'll be pretty much done. And that's that. And then I'll fill in workouts and personal development and daily gratitude and all the things. I'll fill those in, and that's the bare bones of it. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you. I hope it gave you an idea of something you can do to help track these things, because they're important to you as well. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a fantastic week. Let me know in the comments any suggestions you might have for different ways to do this or different ideas for topics of headers. I'd love to hear your ideas. Have a great day.